Hello traders, welcome to Eagle IFX, your number one online channel for your price action trading. So in this video, I'll be going through pairs that have USD as their quote currency. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about pairs like gold, right? XAUSD, Audusd, Eurusd, Gbpusd, and Nzdusd. So XAU is a base currency and USD is a quote currency. Same case with AUD is a base currency, USD is a quote currency, Euro is a base, GBP is a base, and Nzdusd. So Nzd is a base currency and USD is a quote currency. These are the pairs that I want to go through, and I want to show you something from the dollar index. Okay, one thing I've come to realize is that when the dollar is weak, all right, all those pairs that I've told you about that have USD as their quote currency, they do what? They buy, or you see a very strong bullish movement. All right. Now, when the dollar index is buying, okay, all the pairs that have USD as their quote currency do what? They sell. Okay. Now let's look at this dollar index. So one of the things I can see here, I'm on a 4-hour time frame, or even you can go to the daily time frame, it doesn't matter. One of the things I've realized that the dollar index has formed something like a double bottom, of which I expect the dollar to become strong if it respects this level. This level acts as resistance, now has become a support. If it respects, and all the pairs that I've mentioned that have USD as their quote currency, then we'll see them doing what? We'll see them selling. What it means is that the dollar has become strong, so the base currency becomes weak. So in this case here, XAU becomes weak, all right? AUD becomes weak, Euro becomes weak, GBP becomes weak, and Nzd becomes weak. Therefore, we are going to see what? We are going to see these pairs are selling strongly. And if the opposite happens, all right, should in case the dollar continues being weak, all right, so that means that the dollar index will continue selling. That means that the dollar becomes weak. That means XAU becomes strong, gold becomes strong, and then start buying. AUD becomes strong and buy. Euro USD will become strong and buy. GBP USD will become strong and buy. GBP will be strong, and then Nzd will be strong. Then we are going to see what? We are going to see a bullish movement or on these particular pairs over here. So now let's go through each and every one of them and look at them. So let's look at gold in the first place. So from here now, my prediction and probability, and the possibility that I'm looking at is for the dollar to become strong and respect this zone and start buying. So this is technical analysis. I'm expecting this. If the dollar index respects this double bottom here, so you can see that it respected the double top. So I'm expecting it to respect the double bottom. Then we are going to see, the dollar becoming strong, and we are looking at DXY starting to do what? Starting to buy strongly. So what is going to happen? XAUUSD is going to sell, and you see, even with the technical analysis, you can see that we are actually on the zone, and even at this bullish movement that gold was obeying, we are still at a resistance, and therefore I'm anticipating that I'm going to see what? I'm going to see sells. Okay, let's look at AUDUSD. The same case you can see here. AUDUSD has been, as the dollar index was selling, you see that AUD was strong, the Australian dollar was strong, and therefore that's why you're seeing a bullish movement. And now we are actually on the zone, and also we are at a resisting trend line. Therefore, I'm also expecting to see what? To see sales on AUDUSD. The same case also applied to Euro USD. So you can see that the euro has been what? As the dollar index has been selling, you can see that the euro was strong and was buying, and now it has come to form something like a double top, of which if the dollar index starts buying, then I'm anticipating this to start selling. And also even this one, just looking at it through technical analysis, it forms something like like a bearish flag, whereby the market consolidates and then perhaps moves down. Okay, so let's look at GBPUSD. So GBPUSD also, you can see that it's being on this bullish movement. All right, so I'm expecting it, if the dollar index starts buying, then GBP USD is gonna respect this level over here, and also you can see this trend line over here. So I'm also expecting to see GBP USD selling. It has formed a double top here, there's this zone over here, and then this trend line here. So those are also confirmation that GBP USD might start selling. Then the last but not the least, look at Nzdusd also. We have also seen a bullish movement, right? So there's a touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. So every time it touches here, it is pushed down. So as the dollar index will become stronger, and the dollar becomes stronger, it means that the New Zealand dollar becomes weak, and therefore we'll be anticipating for sales. And also you can see that there is this level over here that acted as a resistance here, this is the market to the down, resistance, and also it's the same level with this one over here. If I put a line there, over there, you can see that this acted as what? As a resistance. Then also we had we have the same resistance over there, and also this diagonal resisting trend line. I'm also expecting to see what? To see sales. So that's what I'm expecting to see. Should, in case the opposite happens and the dollar index, the dollar becomes weak and the dollar index continues selling, then all these pairs will do the opposite and start buying. All right, guys. So that's what we have for you today. I just decided to share this video because I'm really observing this market as we talk right now. As I make this video, I'm really observing this market because I want to trade these moves, because these are big moves. All right, so let me know on the comment section below what you think. Remember to like and to share and to subscribe to this video. All right, remember, if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on the description below. This is Eagle IFX signing out.